Today we are talking about one of the most overlooked tools for calming your skin and your body, especially when living with psoriasis, and that's affirmations. Hi, I'm Vidhi, a sensitive skincare expert and co-founder of Folium Cottage. I've spent decades giving very effective holistic solutions for people with sensitive and chronic skin concerns. Now I know what you might be thinking. How can saying a few words actually help when your skin feels inflamed, itchy, or irritated? The last thing you want to do is like chant some affirmations. And I genuinely understand that. But here's the thing, when you're dealing with a condition like psoriasis, your body isn't just reacting on the surface. Stress, anxiety, poor sleep, they're all part of the big picture. And the more overwhelmed your nervous system gets, the more it can trigger flare ups and make healing harder. This is why and where affirmations come in. Not as a magic solution, but as a simple, powerful tool to settle your mind, calm your body, and help create the internal environment your skin needs to repair. Why affirmations help, which is the key thing. So let's be honest, living with psoriasis can and is overwhelming, not just physically but mentally and emotionally too. Some days it shows as irritation on your skin, other days it shows up as frustration, low confidence, anxiety, or those moments where your mind just won't stop spinning. It can hit you anytime. First thing in the morning when you see your reflection, mid afternoon when your skin feels tight or sore, or late at night when you're just lying in bed and maybe looking at the ceiling. And you always think, why is this happening to me? Will this ever get better? When you have all these thoughts spiraling in, this is where affirmations really come in. They're not just something you whisper before sleep. They're a way to steady yourself in those tough spiraling moments. It could be 2 minutes between meetings, a few quiet words to yourself after your skincare routine. I do this actually. Or even a simple grounding reminder during a flare up when your emotions feel bigger than your body. Affirmations help create a pause, a chance to breathe, to shift your thoughts, to remind yourself that I am more than my skin. I'm allowed to calm down. I'm allowed to slow down. Healing is happening even if I can't see it yet. And all those small mental shifts, they have a real big impact on your mood, on your stress levels, your ability to cope, and even your skin. Now let's understand how affirmations actually work and the whole science behind it. I really want you to understand the science so you know where I'm coming from. Affirmations aren't just feel-good quotes. They're a form of mental training. Here's how they work. Every time you think of a thought, you're strengthening a pathway in your brain. If that thought is negative, like my skin will never get better, your brain gets used to expecting disappointment, stress, or even shame. Affirmations help interrupt that loop. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity, which means it can rewire itself based on repeated experiences and thoughts. When you repeat positive affirmations, like my skin is healing, you're literally helping your brain build new, healthier pathways over time. In fact, there have been studies using MRI scans, and they show that when we use affirmations, the brain's self-processing and reward centers light up. The same areas get activated by things that make us feel safe and supported. Imagine the power. And when your brain feels safe, your body does too. That means lower stress hormones like cortisol, which is huge if you're dealing with inflammation and skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. So no, affirmations aren't about lying to yourself. They're about gently guiding your brain and your nervous system toward calm, healing, and hope. But you have to remember that consistency is key. This is not a magic pill. And even if initially you feel strange, you have to be consistent, speak and listen to it for a long period of time. Now let's move to how do you actually use affirmations to help your skin and the stress and your mindset. The beauty of affirmation is that there is no strict rule. You can use them anytime, anywhere, whenever you feel anxious and whenever any negative thought starts creeping in. And here's how I recommend building your affirmations during your day. Step 1. Choose affirmations that feel very honest, supportive, and believable. They aren't meant to feel fake. Think of them as gentle reminders to your body and your mind, especially on your tough skin days. Step 2 is say them during small, quiet moments. It could be right after your morning or evening skincare ritual because you've already cared for your skin on the outside. Now care for your inner self. During the day, when your skin flares or your mind spirals, even 2 minutes between meetings or while waiting in line. Or before sleeping, when your body is winding down and your mind often gets loud with overthinking. Step 3. Pair affirmations with slow, deep breathing. Even 3 deep breaths while saying them signals to your nervous system that it's safe to relax. This helps reduce internal chatter, internal stress that often fuels flare up. Step 4 is record your affirmations in your own voice. This is very powerful. You can play them anytime as background while working, during your commute, or as you fall asleep. Your subconscious mind picks up on those supportive messages even if you're only half listening. It doesn't need to be complicated or time consuming. 2 minutes here, 1 quiet moment there, and over time, the ripple effect shows up. Lower stress, calmer energy, and better skin resilience. Remember, psoriasis doesn't follow a schedule, and neither does your healing mindset. Use affirmations as little mental anchors throughout your day because your body and your skin are listening. Let me go a little bit deeper. I'm straight away going to share a few affirmations that you can screenshot it right now and start using them intentionally from today. So take a deep breath, and here they are. To screenshot it. My body knows how to heal. I trust its process, even when I cannot see results yet. I release the tension of the day and I invite peace into my body. I'm worthy of rest even on difficult skin days. Every breath, my mind and body become more calm. My immune system is finding balance. I am healing. It's safe for me to relax, to rest, to receive, and to care. You can say these to yourself each night or create your own. The most important thing is they feel supportive, grounded, and they're very personal to your journey. Remember, affirmations are not about ignoring your reality. They're about creating a more supportive space inside your mind. And when you lower stress, improve your sleep, and feel more connected to your body, your skin benefits too. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or stuck in a cycle of flare-ups, try adding affirmations to your nightly ritual. From my personal experience, they are truly, truly life-changing. Be consistent. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you have a very, very good day. Thank you so much for watching.